Okay, we are now on the way to pick up a new diff for my car because apparently my old diff gave up. Right now we're gonna pick up new diff, we're gonna go to Archie's place, see how my car is doing. He sent me some videos that the car is actually running now, so super excited to see it, and yeah, let's see it. Phew, mister.
Very nice.
Okay, made it to Archie's because
We
it's
have
broken.
a diff and a mission because the diff is open. Oh shit!
Oh no!
That's really no good. That's oil.
I put it into the plastic bag.
Because it's upside down. Wow. Hey.
Też tak miałem I potem...
So, we're gonna start the car, yeah? Let's see.
Bo on mi tam spadł parę razy.
Oh, that's a bit of a...
low life thing. So basically we have my old diff here, and we have to replace the inside of it because the whole drive has quite a lot of loose, and most of the loose is from inside of the diff. This is the diff that comes with this car when I bought it 6 years ago. So it's been through a lot of pain with my 1.6, then with the 1.8, and then with the V8. It's still the same diff and the same shafts. That's why we are changing it with the new one. But the new one that we bought, it's not really new. It's
Let's not talk about the condition. And of course, we opened every single screw. There was like 20 of them, yeah? And the last one is not opening.
pretty typical situation.
But look at this little cute
Oh, that's nice.
So nice.
Sheesh.
I don't know where we're going, but it's somewhere remote. If you don't want me, you can leave, you can go. And I hope it's not because I wear a triple fur coat. Take me away and I'll still do the most. I don't know where we're going, but I burned all the road. If you don't want me, you can leave, you can go. And I hope it's not because I wear a triple fur coat.
So that was the old one. You cannot really see anything wrong with it from outside, but it's just loose and
Yeah, this
old.
one has.
And this one just cleaner a bit. Oh yeah. Yes.
Brake cleaner. A ja się dziwię, co mi tak ciepło w tą rękę?
I just feel betrayed, I was unaware. Give me all this room, I need air. Now I got the funds in a pair. I was unaware, now I got the feeling it's my year, yeah. I just feel betrayed, I was unaware. Give me all this room, I need air. Now I got the funds in a pair. I was unaware, now I got the feeling it's my year, yeah.
Sam, what happened?
We never film when something's happening, and this time we didn't film as well. And my diff attacked me.
Damn, that doesn't look very good. Okay, so the update is, we went to the hospital with Sam and they told, please wait minimum 4 hours. So we were like, okay, we go weld the exhaust. But before that we need to sort out all the things for the event in 2 days. We're going to dub it, if any of you didn't see it in our last video. But now we have so many things to pack, we're having a shop, need to go clean Kevin, many things to sort. So let's load it up.
It's weird to film the old garage.
Yeah.
Gives me the old vibes. Like it's been just.
You remember when we said we're gonna clean up the old garage as soon as we move into the other one 1 year ago?
Yeah, don't worry. It's been only what, 1 year?
Yeah.
Feels different.
Yeah. Imagine now working here again with all the tools.
Okay, so we need to pack the tent, we need to pack the shelves and everything for the shop. We also have here a bit of merch that we take in, t-shirts, flags, more t-shirts, Kevin mugs and some stuff as well. So let's put it in.
And then a few boxes of stickers as well.
Halo?
Halo, no za pół godziny, 20 minut, pół godziny przyjedź do kliniki i Dawid mówił, żebyś to uciskał czymś sterylnym.
Dobra, będziemy tam, dobra.
Podjedź tam, no.
Dobra, narka. Okay, so apparently Bozo has someone that can fix my head without 4 hours waiting.
Okay, so now that Kevin is fully ready for the event, we just need to wash him tomorrow from outside. We can focus on Boogie's car because he's actually going to drift with it. You have very nice exhaust. Why do you want to change it?
Because someone wants to buy this exhaust for me for good money, honest money.
This?
Yes, this destroyed one, and we'll put normal shotgun.
So the idea in this project is this. This off and new Rurke in. But Boogie told me he got very nice professional pipes, no? For your new exhaust.
Yes, I will show you.
Oh.
You see this small Rurka, big Rurka, and you think, yeah, but there will be lack of air and
Size.
everything. Yeah. So you drill the hole here, screw the screw, and
And
screw
that's
the
good,
bolt,
no?
and it's done.
Pretty good, no?
Yeah, I think.
And part of the exhaust is Sam's old exhaust.
Yeah.
Wow. Engineering at its finest.
Okay, man's back, open-minded, so I can be back in the game. And yeah, it's time to do Boogie's exhaust.
Man, I showed everything. You're very late, you know?
Why? I feel open-minded.
You feel very
Let's do the job.
Sam.
Okay, and right now it's time to open a few of the fan mail packages.
Say that on this nice sunset environment.
In this very nice sunset environment.
Very nice.
Sam, your head is very bright today.
My head-
and
my head-
light and full of thoughts.
My head good.
Still filming?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, there's some stickers, looks like the big ones. What is it?
I cannot say that on
We
the video.
cannot say this on the video.
Can I show it?
Yeah, you can show it, that's not a problem. And there's the
Small ones.
very small one as well.
Whoever sent us this, I don't know, is it the way to tell us? I mean, thank you.
Thank you, but there's also no note, so I don't know who it's coming from. Wait, there's two more.
Alright, move to the next one. Hello.
You need to.
Wow! This is beautiful piece of
that?
cardboard.
That's a carpet?
This is
That's a gaming
This
There
is
is-
mousepad.
mousepad.
This is mousepad
Oh,
with the pattern
Who sent
of.
it?
There is note. XCOM. There's
that?
a shop in Poland.
Who are they?
This is big
Did
shop.
they really send it?
Yeah.
I was
Are
just
they
making
like
jokes.
Do anyone know them? No, I actually don't know.
XCOM,
I don't
man,
know
you
this.
you can buy everything
It's
there.
like-
Okay.
XCOM.
Cześć, węgla w ofercie nie mamy, ale chcemy sprawdzić, żebyście poczuli ciepło w domowej atmosferze podczas montażu waszych filmów na YouTube. Podrzucamy podkładkę pod myszkę, która ładnie uzupełni wystrój waszej montażowni i najważniejsze, będzie idealnie spasowana z nowym
Ale
podnośnikiem w
kozak.
garażu. Zajebiście!
Equipa XCOM.
Oh, that's nice.
Man!
Ooh.
We love
Mousepad, this is wow.
Because right now I have a black one.
And this package was here for like 2 months, so free.
Or like 7 months.
More like 7 months.
What was the last
so
video?
cool.
I don't know.
Anyway, XCOM, thank you very much, guys. This is sick.
But who's
I
gonna
need
keep
one.
it now?
Who's?
We need 2 more. For you, because yeah.
Replay.
Okay, who's gonna keep this one? Out of 3 or out of 1?
Out of 1.
One.
Out of 1.
Oh!
Ah, God.
Yes!
Take it.
Enjoy Boogie.
Nice! So good!
Thank you very much. Sick.
Next package, you can open.
Oh, thank you, man.
So good.
Oh, Okay. I got through box, yeah. There is some money involved.
What?
What?
I guess, yeah. No one would send you.
Prop copy. Okay.
Copy.
Let's see. Okay, this package is from. This package.
What an opening.
Don't worry. This package is from the people that we met on Outtakes last year, and they gave us a nice box with the undergrow. for my
Yeah,
Miata.
that one, yeah.
I still have it on my box. I didn't use it yet, but I will. Maybe on Rolly, I was thinking. And I know what's inside this package. Basically, these guys were working on some product for a Miata, and they asked me for address to send us a how do you call it? Like a sample.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So this is Miata indicators with LED lights inside, and you can program it with a lot of like blinking and like like shit. This is super sexy.
That's fun.
There's
Lights up. That's the company's name. Look, there's a remote. I want to put it in my car, and let's see how it looks. Boogie, you can keep all the money, yeah? I just keep this.
Thank you.
I suppose we go for the last package.
Let's bang it.
Give me that. Put it in the middle. And I'm pretty sure I remember what this was. The very
This is too big. It's coming from Canada.
Yeah, someone actually put NIGHTRIDE logo at the back. What is it? As Schmugruz.
No!
Wait, SR
SR
Schmugruz.
Smugrugs. Wait. Smugrugs. NIGHTRIDE. Hey, look what it says. Look what it says.
Yo.
It says NIGHTRIDE. We have a bit of situation.
Oh yeah. Okay, so there's this thing, which is the main.
Wait, there's a
There's no. Oh,
big note.
Okay, read the note first.
Hello Sam. Hello Marek. They didn't say hello Boogie, so can you just.
Yeah, I will leave.
Big fan from Canada. Absolutely love your content. Been watching for nearly 2 years now, since before the videos were in English. I am a drift enthusiast from Alberta, Canada, with a 1995 240 SX S14 that I used to practice in. One of my best friends is also a. I cannot say that on the video.
Guy.
Guy.
It's
Guy.
also a guy that owns a 1992 blue Miata with a big gang bang wing, and we get so much inspiration from your video. I thought since I'm sending Kevin to another country so far away, I'd add some snacks that aren't available in Poland. At least according to Reddit. I hope you'll enjoy it. Anyway, I make small area rugs and made Kevin recently and decided to donate it to where it belongs. I hope you like the rug and snacks. Keep up the awesome work. Peace and love. Smugrugs. Smugrugs, not as G at the end. Smugrugs. This is super nice. And let's see what's inside. So we have the certificate of authenticity.
Authenticity.
What? Authenticity?
Authenticity.
Vice City.
Authenticity.
There is an envelope in the envelope. Okay, and in the envelope there is. Oh, there's a lot of pictures. Look,
Ah, that's nice actually.
that's the guy's 240.
What is this?
Oh, kurwa, it's mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
It's mac and
Wait.
cheese.
How can it be mac and cheese? It says
This is like
supposed to be-
instant mac and cheese. You see?
Sugar-free gum. Cinnamon and
Let's
candy.
try it. Let's try mac and cheese.
Now.
Mac and
You need
cheese.
to cook it.
You can cook. You have to cook it. It's
No.
like
Sam doesn't
instant
have
soup.
Sam doesn't have a kitchen now. What do you mean?
It's instant soup.
What do you mean? It says snacks.
Instant zoo. This is some chewing gum or something.
Apple, cinnamon.
You bully. You can eat this.
You
Okay,
can't
these
eat
things,
this.
the Reese's we have in England, so I had them
We have
a
in
lot of
Poland
times.
too.
This used to be chocolate.
7 months ago.
Okay, I want to try this gum.
Blue raspberry. Do you want to try?
Yeah. Hey guys, it looks like flipping toilet paper. What? How'd you eat? Do I eat?
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Can I?
No, you should eat one end and Boogie should eat the other end. And who's gonna bail out first?
I.
That's a bit uncomfortable.
Too much.
Marek, you were going for it.
Okay, the main thing that was in here. Look at that.
Yo. How cool. How can you make something like this?
And boogie in the middle.
That's so sick. Wait,
Man.
can you see it? You cannot see how big it is. Can you wait?
Well, next to you, anything looks big.
Wow. Can you show it? Sheesh.
Look at that.
And this is a rug. Look at this. Look at this even.
But I don't, oh
How
yeah, it's
cool.
recovered.
That's exhaust. Blip, 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 blip.
I don't think we can put it in garage.
No, it's gonna get
Be
dirty.
in the office.
Office, yeah,
Like
100%.
somewhere nice there in the office.
100%.
Man, this is so sick. I don't want to touch it too much with my
Dirty hands.
dirty hands after a boogie's exhaust.